Hello. From July 2023, the commission rate of SystemEIO is 60%, the affiliate commission rate, and it's a recurring commission. So 60% is really, really interesting. Before it was 50%, but before that, for years, it was only 40%, which is already a very generous affiliate commission because it's a recurring commission every month and there's no limit. It's not we pay you for 1 year per customer. No, it's for life. And if you really imagine that you are the owner of SystemEIO, you provide this service, you pay developers, don't you think that it would cost you maybe 40% of your gross earnings? You know, when people pay you, it's not all profit for you. So how much of this price that they pay, how much goes into paying for web servers, for support people, employees, you know, for taxes on your benefits, on everything. So wouldn't it be 40%? Can you think about that? And it's not so much, because in some countries, like the worst, like France or some others, the price you need to pay as taxes is very high. So, you know, the 60%, of course, here, it's on the net price, which means they don't take into account VAT. For instance, in France, VAT is at 20%. And in European countries, the VAT is quite high. And in some countries, you have no VAT to pay. So this shouldn't matter really. But think about this. As a business owner, you would take in the VAT and you will give it back to the states, to the countries. So really, this VAT, it doesn't count on what you get from the customer. So the 60% affiliate commission rate is based on the without VAT price. So you see, in euro and in dollars, it's calculated differently. In euro, the price that is advertised is VAT included, and it's a VAT based on the French one, which is 20%. So when they write $27 for the startup monthly, $27 is VAT included. So in the customers who don't have to pay VAT, they pay $22.50. So the 60% affiliation commission rate is based on this price, you know, $22.50. You get 60% of this, which is 13.5 euros. But in the dollar world, the price that they show it's without VAT. Why? Because, for instance, all American customers, they don't pay VAT when they buy. So really, they advertise the price 27, once again, $27. But then if you are in, for instance, let's say in France, and you want to buy in dollars, you will pay the VAT. So you will pay 20% more than $27, which is $32.40. You understand? But once again, on the dollar, the affiliate commission rate is based on the price. So what does it mean? It means that in dollars, your commission, the number, is higher in dollars because all the prices are the same, advertised the same as in euro. But in euro, the price advertised are including VAT. And in dollars, they are without VAT. So you get more dollars for the same plan. And let's say, as a number, I mean, I'm sure you understand, okay? But I want to show you this difference. That's why the numbers of the commissions are different and are higher in dollars than in euros. This is why, because it's based on the price without VAT. And for American, people doesn't change anything because they will pay $27, or if they buy in euro from the US, they will pay 22.5 euros. So I think it's about the same, doesn't really matter. And you see the commission, so I've put all the plans that we have as affiliates. You have the free monthly plans, startup, webinar, and unlimited. Okay, so they are monthly. And then you have the yearly or annual plans with 2 plans for the startup. Because startup, you can have it with a reduction of 40% or 30%. Usually it's all 30% for all the annual plan. So you pay a third less, about a third, than if you were paying monthly. So you get this, but for the startup, you have an additional link, which is minus 40%. But also your commission, affiliate commission, will be less. That's the way it is. So all those links, if you want them, you can ask me in the description of the video or contact me directly if you have my contact. And I have a list of all those plans that you can promote as an affiliate. You can offer in your newsletter or you can advertise on a web page. So that's a good news, I think, because now when you promote SystemEIO, it's like if it's your own business, you get profit 60% of what people pay, and the 40% they go into the, let's say, the business to run the business, but it's not up to you to run it. It's already managed. So you get all the profit. And on this, of course, you have your own things to pay as an affiliate, of course. But you know, it's a recurring commission. So if you get customers, let's say 10 customers per month, then the second month, the third month, the fourth month, this increases. Of course, your people will stop paying, but if you can bring more people every month, your commission will get higher and higher. And this is a good business because the software, of course, let's talk about the software, is really good. But this is not, I mean, yes, you have to say it again and again, but it's obvious that it's good. And it works, it does. But then you get 60% affiliate commission when you sell it. So even, you know, if this software is good, but not as good on some things that this one, okay, but this SystemEIO will improve. And in the meantime, let's think about what should you promote mostly. Of course, you can promote several software at once, but if someone asks you, I mean, SystemEIO is cheap, and you get a large amount of the price as a commission. Those are not small numbers. This is per month, every month, and then you have every year. So I think it's a very good move, this change of commission rate from July 2023. Have a nice day. Bye.